Hello everybody, what's going on? My name is Juvandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be showing you 10 quick hairstyles you can do with short micro locks or just short starter locks. So keep watching. We're not in a full thing. Hey, we looking cute. Hey. Alright, so we're going to start off with this hairstyle that I currently have in my hair, which is just your hair out in a flattering way. So to get this desired look, just water and oil or whatever to manipulate your hair to get it in this way. So I currently have a scarf tied around the perimeter of my head for this hairstyle, and that's that. You can also spice it up with a headband. So let me show you that real quick. And there you go. So you have the hairstyle with a scarf or a headband. Style number 2, which is probably my everyday go-to when I'm working. Alright, so we have a half up, half down, and this is my go-to hairstyle. I like to spice it up with some cute earrings, or I will go in with a headband. So let's do that with a soft scrunchie. That's style number 2. Variation of this, I normally would take out some in the front like so, and this is style number 2. Half up, half down, and some out in the front. Alright, now let's go into style number 3. So we have style number 3, which is my famous side part. If you notice, I always have my hair on the side. I don't know why, but I just love it. And I secured the frayaways, or the ones that were being stubborn, with hairpins in the front. And you can also spice this up with hair clips. So style number 3 with variation number 2 hair clips. Let me show you that. Alright, so we have style number 3 with variation 2 with the side part, but then you accessorize it with a cute clip. And be sure when you're adding the clip to your hair, especially if you have starter locks, be sure not to snag. So be very careful when doing or adding extra accessories to your hair and stuff like that. So yeah, this is style number 3. Now let's move on to style number 4. We have 2 buttons on top, and then I like to leave out these on the side to give it a little bit of pizzazz. It does nothing much, but it just makes it look cute. So we have a 2 bun, and you can do the same thing with this. You can spice it up and you can dress it up. So you can also add a headband to this, or you can take some out in the front. And if you want to be extra, you can add some cute little beads on the ends of them. hairstyle number 5. Alright, and this is style number 5. You have 2 braids going back, and then you can pull the back of your hair in a cute little bun. You can put it in a bun, in a lower bun, or you can bring it forward. I like to have bigger hair, but you know, my locks can't do so much as yet. But if you want to spice it up, you could also do it, not a low bun, but a center bun, I would say, like in the middle, like so. Or you can just leave it down, just like this. Quick hairstyle number 6. Alright, this is style number 6. So we have those 2 braids that we started with, but we did a braid all the way down. My hair needs to add some water to it, so that's why it's looking a little stiff. But obviously when you do this, just make sure your hair is moisturized and not super dry. And then you have your 2 braids going back like so. And leaving out, you know, my regular 2 side braids. Yes, variation of this obviously would just be to not braid it and just have 2 front braids that we did, and then we can do your hair in 2 low ponytails like so. The last 3 hairstyles I'm going to show you is when you just don't know what else to do with your hair. It's not cooperating, it's just frizzy, it's not giving the look you want, it's sticking out places. These are my 3 go-to when I don't feel like doing my hair and I have to hop on a quick work call. After I put my hair back in a little ponytail, I put my wig cap on. The round black thing that I used was 2 leg warmers that I made into a bun, because when I had my natural hair, the regular size sponge bun would be too small for my hair, so I made my very own, and that's what I use to put onto my wig cap. And then I go with a head wrap, and again I'm leaving out these 2 on the sides because that's cute. Alright, so I'm gonna just pull it in the back, and then I'm gonna find the middle like this. Yep. And then I'm gonna cross it over like that, and then cross it over again, and then just braid it down, like braid it all the way down like so. And then I wrap it to the front and give myself a cute little halo effect. Keep twisting the ends of it like this, and then you just tuck it. And that is my don't feel like doing my hair look. Also, when you roll it over, you can wrap it around the bun like so. And then also tuck it once you're done. Like this. So we have the halo braid with all of your hair tucked away, and then you have the wraparound bun for the same head wrap. whatever you're feeling. Let's move on to the next quick lazy hairstyle. Have the same foundation started. We're just gonna go on with a front bang. So the same method we used to wrap the hair, which was twisting it over, bringing it over again, and then twisting it all the way down. And then you can do that same halo braid. I love the halo braid, I don't know why, but yeah, you twist it and then you tuck, twist and tuck, twist and tuck, and then twist and tuck. That is that, and there you have it. Oh my god, I love this one actually. It's probably my favorite out of all of them. I don't know why, but I just love, it's giving me queen vibes, you know? You can secure it with bobby pins right here on the side too. You could also dress this up with hair clips if you want to, but the headscarf is giving you enough vibes. But if you had like a plain black scarf like the one I had on in the beginning of this video, like this, if you had this plain black one and you want to spice it up with gold hair clips, then that would definitely work. You can just add those to the side right here. But the color on this, you don't need to add anything else to it because it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's giving what it's supposed to give without the hair clips on this one. So this is this. All right. If all of your hair from the back does not want to go up in a ponytail, I suggest you don't force it because you don't want to cause too much tension on your locks. So hello, queen vibes. I love this one too. It's all up and around town, and then you got your little piece out. Okay, my very last hairstyle I'm going to show you is a non-head wrap one. The ones that are falling down, I guess I could leave one hanging. That's cute, right? And then whatever doesn't want to make it up into the ponytail, I'm just going to use some bobby pins, bobby pin. And then you have a simple bun. Spice this up with taking out 2 or 4. I like to do 4. And that's that. Alright, so now we're at the end of my video. My 10 quick hairstyles on short micro / starter locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are hairstyles that I just quickly do without even thinking about making them the style, and I like how they look in the end. So yeah, now we're at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, leave a comment down below and let me know which hairstyle was your favorite, which one you like, and which one is your go-to. Alright, so everybody stay blessed. Everything's Copacetic. Hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
never gonna rest till everybody bless. Make sure say everybody bless. Yeah, yeah. Me say one and in the sky.